Hello, YouTube family and friends. Today I'm going to give you a peek into the kitchen with my granddaughter and I. And we're getting started with our heavenly rolls. So, just wanted you to see we're getting ready to make our rolls for Thanksgiving and also taking orders for Christmas and any other special occasion. So these are homemade rolls, been making for 30-40 plus years, and just wanted to pass along to my grandchildren the recipe and put it out there to the world that if you'd like to order some, they're available for order anytime. So right now we're just dissolving the yeast. We're making a video. Come on, you can't be in this. We're just dissolving the yeast right now. Alright, so we're going to add all the ingredients in, and then when we get ready to dump it out and roll it on the board, on the flour board, we'll bring you back. Hit the stop button. Tell them how you thought this was just really, really hard work.
Because it sometimes hurts when you do it for a long time.
Right, okay, so hold it. Making homemade rolls is hard work. Okay, hold it while I dump this out. Just hold it. I'm going to dump this out. So I'm dumping this out onto a really floured board so I can get ready to knead it. And what's it called? What am I getting ready to do? Get ready to knead. Knead it with the heels of my hands. So when I take this and put some over top of it like that, I'm going to need you to, don't pick with that. Come over here. You can stay right there. Just hold this and then hold it up for a second. Just hold it for me. Here, we'll do this. I'll set it down over there and then I'm going to knead. And so kneading is just basically, it's kind of sticky, but look. Cover your mouth. Don't cuff into the food. See, so you push and pull. You push and you use the heel of your hands. And you want it, you're just trying to get it from being unsticky. Okay? Mm-hmm. Who's ever making it? When they make it. Yeah, me. So I'm just making it. I don't really want it. This was about 6 cups, I think.
That's just making it hard.
No, it's not hard. Touch it. I want you to feel how it feels. So you can feel it.
Yeah.
That's how it feels. You want it to feel nice and not too tough. That's good. And then what we're going to do is wash the bowl out and grease it and put it back in there. And then we're going to let it rise.
Getting off.
Yeah. So I'm just going to knead it just enough because I don't want it to get tough. Alright, so that's another couple of minutes of what we're doing with our homemade rolls for the holiday. This will probably make about, depending on how large I make the rolls, and because I'm not selling these, well, I may be selling 1 or 2 batches, but for the most part I'll just make a medium size, small to medium size, so we'll have quite a few of them. But if I was selling them out of each batch, I might get about 5 dozen. Alright, you can stop. Okay, they have almost tripled in size, the bat, and so we are getting ready to, so it's risen and I can push it down. Whee! There you go. And we're going to, from there we're going to take out pieces, take them over to my table, and the table is prepped and ready. A little bit, we need probably a little bit more flour, and we're going to begin to roll them out. All right. Okay, we're in the teaching mode. Push. Roll it together. There we go. We got some cutters. All right, pull it together. You got it rounded enough, and then we're going to start rolling it out. Okay.
What you need to put flour
Hold the
on the
table.
roller?
You can put a little flour on there. Watch the knives and stuff. We got everything in the way. Yeah. All right, so just giving you little peeks of what we're doing here. All right, there they are. 5 dozen we made out of that batch. All right, let's see what they look like once they rise. All right, although these are a little smaller than I normally make, for the first time in about 10-15 years I'm making them. This is for Thanksgiving. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven. Show you what they look like when they come out. I'll butter them with some melted butter over top of them. Now they do have butter inside also. I cut them, dip them in butter, and fold them. That's why they're looking like that. And then when they come out, I'll put butter all over top. There's another one over here, smaller one. Okay, so they are done. Just butter the top of them. They're very light. Butter on top, butter inside. Very good. Just sweet enough. Not too sweet, but just sweet enough. All right. Well, thank you for watching our video. I was just putting it out here. Information will be in the description box to tell you how to order them. I will ship them to you. So I do take deposits for any orders. And the rolls are $10 a dozen. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns. Be blessed. Because why? You're blessed by the best.